This is the analysis of approval of 138 lift irrigation project in 12 district of Bihar, a significant step towards agriculture growth. The Department of Minor Water Resource Government of Bihar has granted administrative approval to 138 lift irrigation scheme across 12 districts in the state. Through this initiative, approximately 6,865 hectares of agricultural land will gain access to irrigation facilities. This step aims to strengthen the state agriculture sector, enhance farm productivity, and contribute to the overall economic development of Bihar. Lift irrigation in modern technique where water is lifted from sources like river, canal, and ponds and then delivered to a field that are located at a higher elevation. This method is especially useful in a region where natural water flow is not feasible for irrigation. Considering Bihar's uneven water distribution and dependency on monsoon, these schemes are expected to provide farmers with more reliable and efficient irrigation options. Farmers in 12 targeted districts will directly benefit from this project. Timely access to water will reduce dependence on rainfall, improve crop quality, and increase agriculture yield. This will also allow to cultivation across multiple seasons, including both Rabi and Kharif crop, prompting year-round farming. The government intent behind this project is clear: to empower farmers and build a self-reliant agriculture ecosystem in Bihar. Under the leadership of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, the Janata Dal government has consistently introduced farmer-friendly initiatives. The approval of this irrigation scheme is another major step in that direction. Following the administrative approval, the concerned department have been tasked with implementing the project in a time-bound manner. Technical experts will assist in the construction, maintenance, and monitoring of this scheme. Moreover, the government will ensure that the benefit reach the farmer who need them the most. The implementation of this irrigation scheme is expected to significantly boost agriculture output, leading to economic growth in a rural area. It will also create new employment opportunity in the agriculture sector and help reduce migration by providing sustainable livelihood locally. Last but not the least, the approval of 138 lift irrigation project in Bihar reflect the government vision and commitment to farmer welfare. The slogan under Nitish Kumar's government, "Farmers are rising, Bihar is rising," is becoming the ground reality. This initiative will undoubtedly drive Bihar's agriculture and economic progress to new heights.